By bringing gaming to life.
By bringing life to gaming.
Story.
Character.
Real emotion.
Then, we added you.
Me.
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 Definitely me.
Me.
And 40 million of our closest friends.
And with every person we added,
the world we created became richer.
Filled with more joy,
adrenaline,
and excitement.
And the more of you we put in games,
the more of you we put in entertainment,
the better they became.
We added your movements.
My moves.
And my voice.
そして革命が始まった。
so now
we're about to change entertainment forever.
Again.
Because we're going to take all that we learned
In more than 30 years of innovation.
And use it to change everything.
for the first time, you and your TV are going to have a relationship.
it's gonna recognize
My name,
my voice.
My friends.
my family,
My movies.
me.
It's going to remember
All the things I like.
Love.
and really love.
We're going to use
Groundbreaking technology. And the power of the cloud.
To set my imagination free.
Free to create worlds and feelings. I can only begin to imagine.
Where I'll laugh more.
Cry more.
Scream more.
And cheer more.
where I'll stop just watching.
And start feeling.
Alive.
Alive. Alive.
Alive.